wabarakatuh, and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Dia Hafiz bin Kamel, and today I want to talk about my research study. My research study is all about the soil erosion monitoring. The soil erosion monitoring is using a drone with the integration of ArcGIS to produce the soil erosion mapping. By using the soil erosion mapping, we can predict and we can know the high risk and high level erosion that occur at the construction site. With the soil erosion mapping, we can monitor and we can implement the control measure that can reduce the soil erosion to the sustainability of the construction site. Thank you.